With 10 beekeepers in discussion, there will be 20 answers. I work with the 21st answer. I dare to be different. I call this the tech method.
So if you're going from single nukes, obviously you need to have the numbers all across the frames.
Yep.
To go to doubles.
Yep.
And then at double nukes.
Well, they can stay double nukes now until we start full-time work on them. And the daytime temperature reaches 22 degrees, and forecast for next week. It might be midwinter, it might be the end of winter. It all depends on the conditions of the winter itself.
Today I'm travelling around the different sites so as to start the preparation of my drone mother hives. I like to have one drone mother hive at each of my sites.
Count the further and then go to a different position. I edit that out all the time.
Subscribe to learn more. For queen bee rearing, drone mother hives are required to supply sufficient mature drones for matings. I rear my queens at different sites and have a number of drone mother hives for this purpose. 4 and 5 framed full depth nukes are required. In the tech beekeeping world, it is a fallacy to put your frames back in the same position as they were when you removed them. A frame for the bees to draw drone comb.
Right.
An irradiated drone comb frame was cut 2/3 out so as to accommodate the bees to be able to draw drone comb.
This is the drone frame that I'm putting in. I put it in further in towards the centre of the nest so that the bees will draw it a lot quicker.
From egg to hatching is around about 25 days.
So this will be probably about 50-60 days that before I'll be able to secure my fertile drones or mature drones.
All the brood frames are now being squeezed together so that they're firm. The brood rearing mat is now being placed, and then the excluder. The top honey super is full and the middle super is about 3/4.
I woke them up. Right, finished. Yeah, number 7 hive is the hive that is going to be one of my drone hives for rearing of my queens.
By removing the top super, I can check the middle super to see just how much honey is in it, and after having a look, the super is nearly full. All the corners of my supers are tapered so that the hive tool will fit in them quite easily. This excluder has a fair bit of burr comb on it, so the next time I come down I'll have to bring a new excluder and replace it. This hive and this frame has plenty of bees and brood and young larvae, so it'll be suitable for placing the drone frame in it. I can tell that the top super is full of honey by the bounce and the groan of the motor lifting the super. Fine adjustments can be made with your hive tool to centralise the top super. This is a drone frame that's been in for about 6 months, and tip it over and have a look at the other side there. It's tote right over, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's just all drone comb, the whole lot, and that's probably 95% of those bees that's on there are drones. I am now using the green special drone frames for my drone rearing units. One drone frame is placed in one hive at each of my apiary sites, so that I have an abundance of drones that are mature for when I am queen rearing. We've got plenty of drone comb by the look. So they're building their own, thank goodness. Early in spring. Plenty of brood. Haven't started on this frame here, got plenty of pollen. After the queen rearing season is over, I place the drone combs to the outside edge so that the drones hatch, and then they can fill that with honey during the winter time. So I rearrange this hive, put the seal brood on the outside wall. Yep, plenty of seal brood on the outside wall. Turn this one around so that they can start building more drones. There's the queen. I'll remark her while I'm here. I'll also cage her. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll just put her over in the side over here. Easy way of putting them locks on. Put them on down the bottom. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channels. Thanks for watching all Aussie content.